Jamaica. Yo. So Jamaicans no see. None at all say the Freemason them have a liking for Jamaicans. Almost all of the artists them sell out or a thing for sell out. We talk about Babylon every day. And artists sing about it but end up right in it. That just tell you being conscious was just a word amount. And these people know a little, if nothing, about what them wanna sing about. Cause Koffee, the youngest in the business, who under chronics, when say she conscious get captured from she make the song name Rapture. Where she catch the eye a lot of these members of the Freemason who start reeling her in, give her promotions and them shows, giving her beer free things, give her beer money and show money at her. She's in at the stage where it's like you bring a pitney in our candy store, not knowing that it was a trap to lure them in for the kill. She's in a state of disbelief about how much influence she has, how much people want to be her friends, who never knew her, the exposures, the gifts, the companies wanting to work with her. It's like Cardi B when she joined, then realize that they control the same gang where she in her. And whatever they do to her, she can't call upon nobody to help her. She was scared. She was scared of what her reality was. She even did a video about it before she became a program puppet for them to use. Them say ignorance is bliss, which means when you don't know nothing, you just live like you know. But there's a hard hit coming, because the Illuminati is a group. When it's really time to sign you, your blood is needed at the start. So them battery both man and woman and Koffee. You say you're conscious and you broke out sometime, you're going to get broke out to the extreme all the time. And then video it all 5 man a ride you and I take turns at destroy you. Then you as a female get passed around from high ranking members to be used in any way. Then they give you a gift. These are known as Project Monarch sex kittens. Rihanna is one such female. She sleep with a European member in a politics, saying she went over there to discuss education. The information is there of the whole trip. Rihanna dropped out of high school from 15. So when she become a professional in educating? Well, after she got ravaged, them give her the open door with her Fenty beauty products. Koffee will be no different. Bless up chronics. You want really that. Money was never created by a creator or permitted by a creator. And it capture on you. In her new video, she clearly promotes them, the Freemasons, and her allegiance to the Antichrist, and all the demons the Illuminati worship. And the brother name gonna too. You can see it, but music video them fast paced and scenes change quickly. So if you don't look, you're not gonna see. That's why TV make the perfect tool for brainwash the people. Them wonder who you gonna kill first: your mother, your brother, or your sister, or your granny, or the whole family like Jennifer Hudson. Or you gonna get pregnant and lay low out of the spotlight till the child born, then kill it. It'll get real now, Jamaicans. Bolt sell out long time. Then them boss him and put him in a blue dress but make it look like a comedy. Sean Paul, him when I decide long time, it look like him make him decision now and him back on the scene. Cartel I try play hide and seek with them because him think him a world boss. Then them want pump him up. They invite a acting. Tell him say, yo, once him join, him a go get a brand new house, a brand new car, 20,000 USD if he start up an entry. Him a think about film next move right now. My father sell out from him do the song about him and the rock and Jehovah guide him. So Jay-Z, who is known to be the top brass for the music industry in America, hip hop, call him, say, yo, we have big things for you. Him fly out, go get him bus up, get a big Bentley and who knows what else. Saying he's not coming back broke. Well, you get broke, you get broke, not money broke, but you get broke. Ding dong, alkaline were broke every red light by selling out before him starting the business. Popcorn or Drake Boss, Tommy Lee, Squash, Six Bass, Buju Banton. Them lock him up and broke him. Then release him. He must sing about evil spirit, oh evil spirit, get away from me. Because the devil is them. I follow them around. And I make them life a hell for the contract where them sign over. Them people are just look happy for the camera and the people I fight. They are like, what the did I get myself into? All the big companies them in a Jamaica night. And it's the white man them behind most of them. These companies were never locked down yet from them open. The banks, the loan place them, the supermarkets, the gas station, Texaco. The Texaco will show Baphomet head as a star. Total will show you one year look down on you. Petcom will tell you say them worship the sun with them Petcom Sun Martin Shell gas station. Where is the sun? You don't see people on a blind. Toyota, which is a 1 year and 666. Honda, which is Baphomet head. Benz with a pyramid. BMW with a pyramid when I look on it from the sky. Nissan, which is the sun. Hardy, which is 666. Jamaica, yo, rough. Boy Coffee, I don't know female, but I know them, the youths, them a follow. Brainless people when I have nothing in them head space. This is why them stay so. Females don't respect themselves, them just like whore. Promote them body, run down vanity, get used like condom, rinse off and then repeat. The youth, them bottom now, they on shelf. Them want the iPhone and the latest kick. You know, see, them pants are tighter than what female are wear. Look on the youth, them. Them a get possessed by demons where I get released through the music where them a recite and I sing every day. The music of these entertainers. 277 years Jamaica under Freemason rule from 1742 to 2019. People who don't stop sleep. Jamaica. Yo.